I'm throwing that too easy.
2 pounds of tannerite. 1 5.56 NATO round. 1 M4. 1 halfway competent shooter.
And the gallery of cameras.
Paparazzi.
By the way, I've got stage fright. That's alright. We'll miss sometimes.
Put a hole right through there. Wait for the flash.
Everybody ready?
Ready.
Ready.
We're going hot.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness!
Good.
Hey, you hit it! Did you feel the camera?
I didn't get it because I moved the camera.
Dude.
Wow.
You're kidding.
308 who?
I don't see the
Oh my God.
You feel that on your face?
I felt that all the way up through here.
I don't see the stump nowhere.
Good night.
Come look at her.
Thank you. Man, the cops are going to be here in no time now.
We got 11 more pounds, 10 more pounds to go.
When we first started called the police on us.
Did last lady.
Everybody was watching it.
Wow, that was unbelievable.
I mean, I felt the shock off that thing. That's
Yeah.
I hope I kept it steady enough when it went off.
I'm surprised car alarms didn't go off.
What? Oh, there's a gut, Joey. Look where it moved the rock.
Oh my goodness.
The rock was here. The stump was
We
there.
moved the rock forward.
Here's part of the stump.
Where's the rest of it?
We don't know.
Holy moly.
Where's the water jugs?
There's part of one.
There's
There's
somewhere
part
over
of one.
there.
There's part of one. There's part of one.
Good gracious.
There's part of one. There's another part.
Wow.
How'd you guys like that?
That was awesome. Thank you very much. That was awesome. Yeah. That was